Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I will put a link that talks about the video and how to enter that in the description box down below. Also, we have a giveaway going on in honor of our 100th video going up, as well as in honor of our 200th subscriber. So I'll put all those links in the description box down below. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 300th subscriber winner, so help us get there. If you are new to BOXYCHARM, it ships out $21 a month. There's usually 4 to 5 full-size products in there. I did actually just get an email this morning talking about some customizations for the next Boxy Luxe that's coming out, so I'm super excited. Let's dive into this box. There is a coupon in here for $10 off Ulta Beauty's Skin Bar. That's pretty cool. I've never tried anything from their skin bar. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. There's always a card in here that talks about the different products. Ooh, the first item that I am pulling out is by Elemis. It is their Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask for advanced skincare. This does retail for $36. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. If you are new to my channel, I do a masking review series and where I try on different masks, review them, and so yeah, I'm excited to try this one for that. By Luxie Beauty is their, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, GAEA, G-A-E-A, 3-piece brush set. Retails for $30. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brushes. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 Foundation Blush. Ooh, I really like these handles. They're different from the other Luxie brushes. Kind of has a marble effect. And so what I do with most of my foundations is I will put them on with a brush like this. I've been using a Clinique brush that I've had since dawn time. It's ready for that thing to go, so really needed one of these. And then after I kind of put it on, kind of paint my foundation on, I will go in with a sponge after that and kind of bounce the foundation in. It gives it more of an airbrushed effect that way. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. I need a good new blending brush, and they're super soft. I have some Luxie brushes that I've been using, and I've been really liking them. I don't have any from this set, though. And then this is the Luxie 246. This is going to be your precisely applied color to your crease with the Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. I have really deep set creases, so I like a little bigger brush for that. But this would be really good for the under eye waterline for me. Oh, here is the Appeal Gel Liner. And this is in the color Deep Taupe. Retails for $21. Line and define your eyes and lips with the new Appeal Gel Liner. Because it is a gel liner, you can use it for your eyes and your lips. I actually already have one of these. We got one of these in a Lip Monthly last month. So I'll be putting this one in that 300 subscriber giveaway I was talking to you about. Also, I have a secret new giveaway coming up too. From Alamar is the Mother of Pearl. It is this really light pink shimmer gloss. Juicy shade shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex, formulated with rich sea, buckhorn extract, and camellia oil. The Mother of Pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shiny, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky wear. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner. It's gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. I've already got kind of a deeper shade lipstick on, so I'm not gonna put that on right now, but that's really pretty. Lastly, by Butter London is their Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Retails for $32. Shadows are gorgeous. Look at this palette. Serving Queendom Refines. Bring your inner goddess in a Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, enriched with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create an imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. These are so pretty. So you know how I told you I have this kind of new giveaway that's coming up? So what I'm gonna do is, I've already got stuff set aside. I'm going to be putting this one right here in it, and what it is, it's in honor of our 100th follower on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do. My handle is beautyamab, so that's beauty, A-M-A-B, the letter B. So I will be announcing one in there, and then I'm gonna try and kind of show you all the products here on YouTube as well. So be on the lookout for this one. This was an amazing box. I loved every single thing in here. You know, this one was a repeat for me, so it was kind of but the brushes I love, the gloss, I think I'm gonna get a lot of use of. Super excited to try the Veggie mask, and I know that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these brushes. What were your favorite things? Did you get the same things as I did? So I did get variation number 2. It seems like the last couple ones that I have gotten, they've all been this variation number 2. So I don't know if that's just where I'm at, and that's, you know, I'll always get variation number 2, or if I get different ones. Let me know if you guys know that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.